For me, it started in 2012 when I got myself a walking desk. And within a year, I had problems with my right wrist and with my and then with my left elbow. And went to several doctors, x-rays, nobody had any explanations for it. The wrist began to resolve. The elbow never did. It was treated for golfer's elbow and tennis elbow. By 2016, when it had not healed up, they decided to take an x-ray, and that was when I was diagnosed with extreme osteoarthritis and told that I need to have an elbow replacement. I was also told that I should put it off as long as possible and to learn how to deal with it until I no longer could deal with it or until I reached Medicare age. So during this process, I saw several massage therapists, chiropractors, acupuncture. All of them helped some, but my usefulness in my elbow gradually decreased. I was compensating for it and living okay. In 2019, I moved to Tennessee, and then in 2022, it was about 10 years after everything started, I had a problem with my chest muscle. And in the process of having that looked into, it turns out that in the 10 years of compensating for not having much strength in my left arm, my entire body had turned S-shaped. So I got exercises, got a better idea of what to do, and then I met Chris, and she helped me through the chest issues, but what was more interesting to her was the possibility that she could actually improve my left arm, not just stop it from getting worse, but actually improve it. And within a year and a half, I was able to go back to kayaking, ride my bicycle. By the summer of 2024, I was shoveling, and just this past February 25, I was visiting a friend of mine up in upstate New York and shoveling through 6 feet of snow. So I am extremely pleased with how well everything has worked out with my elbow. The results Chris has gotten have been phenomenal. I would consider myself able to use it, for the most part, fairly normally. I don't have the extension that you normally do, but I am able to use it fairly normally, and I'm very happy. And I do think that I will not have to have an elbow replacement in my lifetime. And that's all I have to say about that.